Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. We got an unboxing and hand review of these Nike Dunk Low Halloween joints, man. I didn't get a personal pair, you know what I'm saying, but shout out to my brother once again. Let me do a review of this shoe in hand, you know what I'm saying, but I try to get a pair, I try to win a pair on sneakers, store raffles, all that good stuff. It didn't work, I didn't win nothing. But luckily, like I said, I could bring an in-hand review to my family so y'all can see the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Like good stuff, man. But make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Without further ado, man, let's get into the video. So beforehand, we got an in-hand review of these Nike Dunk Low Halloween joints. They do glow up in the dark on the outsole of them. Here go a picture of them right here. I'll try to do it with a video, but let me do it with a video. So like I said, here go a picture of the shoe. Like I said, the outsole do glow in the dark. This shoe not bad at all, you know what I'm saying? In case you're a Bengals fan, you know, teams that you know what I'm saying you could be a fan of to wear this shoe, you know what I'm saying, different lot of stuff. But like I said, most time I ain't gonna lie, Nike Dunk Lows is very versatile. Like I've been in Nike Dunk ways. Sometimes I get out, sometimes I get in, because they be coming out with so many colorways. You like, all right, slow down, y'all be doing a little too much on the Nike Dunk Lows. But certain ones you be like, all right, but this one ain't too bad. Like I said, they call it the Halloween Dunk Lows, so pretty sure people gonna think about Halloween, whatever. But the detail of the shoe is definitely nice, you know what I'm saying? They detail the shoe very, very well. Colors, you know what I'm saying, all that good stuff. But what y'all think about this shoe? What y'all think about this shoe? Comment down below, man. Let me know y'all like this shoe. You cop this shoe. You want a sneakers app? Let your boy know down below. But I did a little too much talking, man. Let's go and get that shoe out, man. Here they go. Here they go. So I did a review on some Nike Dunk Lows. I forgot what color was they. They were the recycle joints. They was the Sequoia joints. You know what I'm saying? They had a different box, but normally most Nike Dunks will come in a red and white box. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Got the big Nike logo and spells like Nike right there. It's not my size, it's his personal size. 8.5. And it says Nike Dunk Low Retro. Sale Starfish Black 8.5. Retail for $110. And the resale right now, you can easily make over 100 easy if you sell on StockX or Go. My bad. Plus the fees. So minus the fees, you're making about good 80. Not too bad. But if you're looking to buy this shoe, it's about over 120. Depends on what size. My size over 120 over retail. But if you were like an 8.5, it's about close to 100 and like 110 maybe. So not too bad. Not too far off from the bigger sizes. But you know, bigger sizes now go for the most now. It used to be the other way around. That is crazy to me. But let's go and get that shoe out, man. Bang. Here they go, man. Nike Dunk Low Halloween joints, man. So y'all could tell a little close up on the camera. Y'all see it got spiders. It got like the spooky eyes. Also, y'all can see right here, it also got two eyes right there. Love that detail. So the whole upper of the shoe is leather. I thought this part was gonna be like a little hint of suede, but it's actually not. So like I said, the whole upper of the shoe is leather. So the retail price on these joints is $110 for retail. High tax is like $117, $119. It's around that range. But the detail of the shoe is super, super crazy to me. I like it, the detail of the shoe. Will I wear it? Up in air, but like I said, Nike Dunks is very, very versatile, so you can't get away with it. Just, I think the outsole for me, it's like you get like 1 or 2 wears, over and done with. But like I said, the detail behind the shoe is definitely fire, super dope. But let's go ahead and talk about the detail of the shoe. So on your outsole here, you have your clear outsole. Also got Nike right here in the middle. So like I said, beginning of my video, the outsole glows in the dark. It's like a dark green. Here go another picture in case y'all didn't know. No, it's just like a dark green on the outsole. Not bad at all. Super dope, like the detail of that. So you got your white midsole. Also you got your orange leather Nike check. And on the toe box, you got your white toe box. Go along on the toe box as well. Like I said beforehand, you got this cool detail around the toe box here. You got your spooky eyes right in the front of the shoe. Y'all could tell right here close up. I don't want to move too fast for you guys. I can see it a little bit. Go along on the side panel here, like I said, around with the orange Nike leather check. Y'all see spiders right here. Also got your little bit of spooky eyes right here on the back of the heel. You see the spooky eyes right here on the back of the heel. Also, it's like an eye. It's like a big eye. Usually when it says, like on Nike Dunks, it says Nike right here. So close up right here, it's like an eyeball. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's a Halloween concept behind this shoe. So they're trying to get a little spooky with it. I like that detail as well. And on the inside of the shoe, you got your orange. And you got your black Nike logo with your black spider inside of the shoe with your orange sock liner. Also comes with some white laces. And on the tongue as well, you got your black Nike stitched in as well. Oh, also one thing I forgot. You got your white side panel right here on the side. Like I said, with your orange Nike, with your orange leather Nike check. So overall, got them in hand. I know people was hyping the shoe when it first came out, like, was it last year? And they kind of made it more easier for people, like more of a GR release, I should say. I think I'd get us about a 7.5, 8 out of 10. That's not bad at all. I think it's just the outsole for me. If I'd have got the shoe, I wouldn't have kept it as a personal. It just, like I said, it's the outsole for me. Like, because I like to wear my shoes. And if I wear them, I'm not saying it's going to get more yellow and all that good stuff. So, all that good stuff. But, like I said, overall, 7.5, 8 out of 10, not bad at all. You know what I'm saying? Also, size run the Nike Dunk Lows. I always go true to size. Like I said, I do 11, 11.5. Either one fits me perfectly fine. But I know normally people like go half size up because like they don't like their shoes too snug. You know what I'm saying? So I always tell people, if you don't like your shoes snug in Nike Dunks, I always tell people, if you don't like your shoes snug, don't go true to size in Nike Dunk Lows. Because like I said, you get true size in Nike Dunk Lows, they're going to fit snug, you know what I'm saying? Because most of the time, people don't like creasing up their shoes because, you know, it's a cheap leather and all that other good stuff. So I always tell people, go half size up, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't mind it. I'll beat my shoes in, still be cool, you know what I'm saying? So, but, like I said, here go the Nike Dunk Low Halloween joints, man. I just wish I could have had a video of the outsole so y'all can see it. But like I said, I just had pictures of it so y'all can see, like, which, you know what I'm saying, what the color is and what it ain't, you know what I'm saying? Because it kind of is hard to get the actual picture of it. So I'm like, oh, come on, man. Come on. But it's all good, man. But I appreciate y'all showing love support as always, man. That is it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. Got some more videos coming this week. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to give different ideas. I'm trying to come up with different ideas for you guys so y'all can run and see just sneaker reviews. I'm going to come with different stuff. Basically, I want to come back with the how to cop stuff too as well. So be on the lookout for those videos as well. Make sure post notification bell is on. Follow me all platforms down below. I would greatly appreciate it, man. Catch y'all on the video. Y'all have a blessed one. Jerry is out. Peace.